Hi dear customer, right now I will show you how to assemble this acrylic case. At the very beginning, pick up this case, alright, and this black one, this transparent one, and your Raspberry Pi 4, okay? Put it here, like this. Okay, and then this one, like this, and this transparent one, this gap is for the HDMI cable and power cable here. And next one is the black one. There is a gap for the GPL pins, and the transparent one like this. You can see that GPL is show up, and this black one, finally this one. All right, and put them together, you will see that the black and transparent layer will separate right here, and put the long screws. Okay. Oops. Okay, job done. And don't forget to remove this protective film. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.